When one of the principal makers of modern Indian history, Mr. Jinnah, the Muslim leader, arrived, excitement was redoubled. His journey from the station to his residence was a triumphal procession. Mr. Jinnah, Governor-General of Pakistan, was on his way to Government House, recently vacated by Sir Francis Mudie, hitherto Governor of Sindh. Now Pakistan takes over. Liaquat Ali Khan moved a resolution concerning the Pakistan national flag and handed one round. Jogindranath Mandal, leader of the Untouchables, was present, and the only woman member of the assembly was Begum Shahbaz. Later, accompanied by Lady Mountbatten, the Viceroy came to launch the Dominion of Pakistan. It was on his last day as Viceroy, the day before he became Governor-General of the neighbouring Dominion of India. He now read the King's message. Sitting beside Lady Mountbatten was Mr. Jinnah's sister, Miss Fatima Jinnah. Next, the inauguration of Mr. Jinnah as Governor-General. He takes the oath of allegiance to King George VI as head of Pakistan. That's the Governor-General's personal flag. And afterwards, the flag of the new Dominion itself was broken.